In the next episode, Doha will enter a completely different stage of her relationship with Yaman. Until now, she believed that this anger came only from pride, stubbornness, and their constant fight for control. However, after learning how deeply she hurt him in the past, she will stop treating his feelings like a simple argument. After, for the first time, Doha will not understand the man hiding behind to Yemen's hard attitude. She may decide to apologize, but Yemen will not make the situation easy for her. She carried the pain of that humiliating day for years, and few kind words will not erase it. While Doha searches for the right way to reach him, she will also have to manage the farm. Her plan to use bench and areas as a new sources of income will gild a look brilliant on paper. She believed that tourist, small event and local product can bring money to the farm. The problem will begin with our Tuan people see ideas as attack on their way of life. Yemen will warn that her business cannot be built by ignoring the people live there, but Doha think is trying to stop her. He closest trust her. The personal feelings will quickly becoming mixed. With the business disagreement, Merit will not notice the tension, use it on benefit. He may quietly encourage the people opposed to Doha while pretending that he only wants to protect the town. His real purpose will not make the farm look weak. Divide at the same time. Nelson attempt to sell Surfeit Sharp to could give Merit the need. He may offer help, money, or secret arrangement to place part of farm under this control. The biggest shock will come through Moha and Yemen may tell us something from Doha past, believing that information will stop to Moga from creating another scandal. Insist Moga will turn to the weapon. Doha will feel too battered. We should learn to Yemen trusted greatest enemy with something personal. The truth may be complicated. Yemen could be setting trapped Moga using false, incomplete information to expose intention. The episode ends during the Doha bench event when Moga publicly revealed the secret except to Doha to clap insist of running away. Doha may feel face everyone with courage. Yaman will step beside her, showing the dissipate all their angry. He will not allow to anyone else to destroy her. This moment could become the first real sign that their